Good evening, children. Today I am discussing class 9 science chapter 5, the fundamental unit of life. Now we go to history of cell. First, cells were first discovered by Robert Hooke. He observed dead cells of cork, not living cells, with the help of his self-made microscope. Second, Leeuwenhoek discovered living cell for the first time in pond water. Perhaps Spirogyra algae or bacteria. Third, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in the cell. Fourth, Purkinje termed the fluid means liquid and gases called together fluid, in the cell as protoplasm. Fluid in the cell as protoplasm is termed by Purkinje. So, protoplasm is the physical basis of life. Fifth, Sheldon and Swan proposed the cell theory. Sixth, Virchow modified the cell theory and suggested that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. That is, cells are produced only from pre-existing living cells. Second point is modern cell theory. All living things or organisms are made up of cells. Second, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. That is, the cell or cells form the body structure of the organisms, and the cell or cells also performs all the functions for its survival and to be alive of the organisms. Here functions means nutrition, respiration, reproduction, movement, excretion, etc. Third point of modern cell theory is all cells come from pre-existing living cells by cell division, not by spontaneous generation. Fourth, cells contain hereditary or genetic materials or informations which is passed from cell to cell, that is from one generation to next during cell division. Fifth, all cells are basically contain the same chemical composition. Sixth, all energy flow of life generates within the cells. Next topic is living organism. Living organism means animals including we, humans, plants, microorganisms. Living organisms made up of cell or cells. This is the picture of human chick cells. Now write the parts of given cells. That is 1, 2, 3 marked. 1. What is 1? What is the name of the 1 marked, 2 marked, 3 marked in the chick cell diagram. Now we draw amoeba, unicellular organism. This is for you. You have to read or study. You have read or studied in the previous classes. Now complete or write name its different parts of the amoeba cell in your copy. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and etc. Now we want to discuss about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, less developed cell, primitive cells, no membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, nucleus or true nucleus. Next is point for prokaryotic cell is presence of incipient nucleus. False nucleus means incipient nucleus. Example bacteria, yeast, blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. Here false nucleus means no nuclear membrane, no nucleus, etc. Now eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell has well-developed cell, advanced cell, presence of membrane-bound cell organelles like mitochondria, ribosomes, chloroplast, true nucleus, chromosomes, and chromosomes are many, not in the single, and double-stranded. Example: amoeba, human, we, all animals, all plants, etc. Now for you, draw a well-labeled diagram of bacteria. Now we want to conclude the cell. Cell is the structural unit of life or organisms, the functional unit of life or organisms. Both are shows living characters of the living organisms. It means it is necessary for the cell is necessary to survive, to be alive. Now, two types of cell: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We have earlier discussed about prokaryotic cells. Example: bacteria, cyanobacteria. Now eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, plants, animals. Plants. In plant cell, these are the characteristic features of plant cell. Presence of chloroplast, presence of cell wall. Cell wall is the outermost part of the cell, which is non-living. But in animal cell, cell membrane or plasma membrane is the outermost part of the animal cell, which is living. Large vacuole, presence of dictyosomes in place of Golgi apparatus or bodies, which is present in animal cell. Peripheral nucleus or nucleus at corner. Shape of plant is generally square. Perform photosynthesis, that is food making process in green plants. Example: all plants, algae, etc. Now for animal cell, no chlorophyll, no photosynthesis, no cell wall, presence of Golgi body. Generally shape of animal cell is round or roundel shape. Nucleus at center or centrally nucleus. Vacuole is absent, or if present, vacuole is very small. Example: all animals, humans, we, etc. And now for assignment. Why is the cell called the structural and functional unit of life? Question number 2. Here is a drawing of animal cell. You have to write the parts of that in the given diagram. This is the diagram of a cell, but name of some parts of the cell or some cell organelles of the cell is missing. You have to write down the missing parts of the cell in the box. Observe and again observe it and answer. The name of the cell is plant cell or animal cell. Second, prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell. Cell of autotrophs or heterotrophs. Cell wall present or absent. Chlorophyll, plastid, absent or present. Question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 we will meet in the next video. Thanks.